KJ George is contesting from Sarvagnanagar constituency for the upcoming Karnataka Assembly elections on May 10th. He served as an MLA 3 times from this constituency and once from Bharatinagar constituency in 2008. In talks with Daily Salar, he said this is his 4th term. He claimed that the area is crucial since it has 1 lakh Muslim voters who, according to him, are patriots. He claimed to have renovated a government school with modern classroom amenities and an upcoming specialty hospital that is already 80% complete. He also assured that there will be a university college at Lingarajpuram, Bengaluru. In closing, he noted that his constituency Sarvagnanagar is secular and that its residents embrace peace. He also expressed his gratitude to the voters of his constituency.
सर्वज्ञानगर असेंबली हल्का जो कर्नाटक के एक नामवर असेंबली हल्कों में शामिल है, इस हल्के की खुसूसियत ये है कि यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा मुस्लिम वोट्स हैं और इस हल्के की 2008 से मुसलसल नुमाइंदगी कर रहे हैं केजे जॉर्ज साहब। केजे जॉर्ज साहब रियासती काबीना में वज़ीर दाखिला रह चुके हैं, वज़ीर बराए तरक्यात बेंगलुरु रह चुके हैं और इस वजारत पर रहते हुए अपने हल्के की और रियासत की तरक्की के लिए इन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है। इस हल्के में चूँकि मुस्लिम वोटरों की तादाद काफ़ी ज़्यादा है और यहाँ इन इलाकों में तरक्की के लिए जॉर्ज साहब ने जो किया है और आने वाले दिनों में क्या मंसूबा रखते हैं, इस बारे में बात करने के लिए हम यहाँ जॉर्ज साहब के साथ हैं। जॉर्ज साहब, सालार में आपका इस्तकबाल है। जॉर्ज साहब, चूँकि जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आपके हल्के में 1 लाख से ज़्यादा मुस्लिम वोटर्स आते हैं और इन वोटर्स की तरक्की के लिए गुज़िश्ता 3-4 मियादों से 3-4 टर्म से आपने बहुत कुछ किया है। इस इंतखाब में आप क्या वादा करते हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में क्या करना चाहते हैं?
The last 3 terms I am representing this Sarvagnanagar constituency. Earlier I represented 2 terms in Bharatinagar constituency. I was a minister in 89. First I got elected in 85. Then 2008 I contested from Sarvagnanagar. And now this 4th term I am going to contest. So I become a candidate of Indian National Congress. The party has nominated me. I am going to contest. This constituency is a cosmopolitan constituency. Of course, single largest voters are Muslim voters. They are very secular voters. Then these voters, as seen, they are really patriots. Therefore, the development of the constituency. Of course, this very backward areas is also there. Last 15 years, out of 15 years, we are not in the government. Only 5 years, and plus 1 more year, the coalition government. 6 years, our party was in the government. We have developed a lot of things. I can give you a booklet that we have printed in English and Urdu and Kannada also. You can go through it because if I wanted to tell the highlights of it, as you rightly told, there are a lot of backward people, Muslims among them, educationally. But there are a lot of private schools are come. But unfortunately, they have to charge their fees. That's why now we developed all the government schools in a modern way, given all the facilities to the government schools, and made it as a smart classrooms that provide all the government schools. And you know, government school teachers are more qualified. They are very, once you give full support, they can give a good education. And economically weaker section people also can go and study there. That is the, also, we constructed the Urdu schools in our constituency with our company CSR fund also that I spent. And all this program was done by our company CSR fund. And there is no basic infrastructure in our constituency. Like there was no hospital. Now it's already a specialty hospital is coming up, 85% is completed. I think in a few months that will be start operating. Then there is no pedigree, no high schools. But whenever I approach the government, they will say, you have to provide the basic infrastructure like building and all. Now we constructed a building for up to PUC. This is from our CSR from the Bansawadi model school we have built. And also we got sanction and this year we are going to start a university college in Lingarajpuram. That also we have constructed a 12 rooms. One floor we have constructed for the government schools, government college, university college. That also we will start. The entire thing is, including the laboratory, everything is prepared. That is next academic year it will start. These are the things, and parks, playground, whatever. But we have lack of a stadium. That also we are going to do it in Kachirkadali. Already plan is there. And also we wanted to construct one international standard swimming pool. And Kachirkadali, the Kere, we wanted to develop. And also a tree park. All these things in the pipeline. But many things are already done.
One of the major things in our community, in Muslim community, what likes is they have skill, but they have no centers to get it trained and get job opportunities. How about this program that you have adapted, and what is the plan in the future?
See, when Sarvagnanagar was the chief minister, as a minister, at the time, the government has started the skill training centers and university also. But afterwards, nobody is taking much interest. That's why I started from my own trust 2 skill training development center. One is at KGL and one is in the GUNI, Ambedkar Bhavan University. The plan is to train the people for 3-4 months and give training, especially for the computer training, electrical training, mobile repair training, and KGL only for the women, that is for tailoring and the artifacts manufacturing and also computer. These are the things we are doing. And after training, it is glad to note that many people are getting the employment in after employment opportunities are plenty. They are getting it.
Sir, in future, do you have any plan to increase this number of training centers and increase the number of candidates?
See, already when our government comes, 100% we will take up with the because we got a program announced by Rahul Gandhi and all. Now we are going to give this stipend for the graduates for 2 years, about 3,000 rupees per month and 1,500 rupees for the diploma. Graduates 3,000. These 2 years we will build up training centers, skill training centers, and we will increase the job opportunity of that's our plan. And also for women, you are better see that we are going to give 2,000 rupees per each houses, irrespective of their income or that the elderly women will get open an account and we will put it in their account. And also 200 units of the current free, that is 7 rupees per unit, 1,400. And the latest that we are announced about the free passes for ladies, for women. And all the things, these are the programs which we are ordered to strengthen the people who are facing a lot of difficulties now because of the economically growth is going down. That's why the people are facing that we wanted to empower them. That's what we are doing.
Sir, it has been noted in your constituency that every time you have a Muslim opponent and every time he is a new one. How do you take these opponents? And sometimes these opponents are also alleging that you have not developed the constituency. How do you take?
See, the problem with the people who are come are contesting against them, they leave. They are not there for the next time. And now, for example, a person from Kolar is coming and contesting. How he knows about the development? He knows about development in Kolar. Other person is come from Sarvagnanagar. He says no development. But they have seen what was the status, what was stage earlier. Only the local people will know. I don't say that all the problem is solved. But we've got a lot more to do. That's why another 5 years, I think that Congress government is going to come. That we will concentrate more on the development of these areas because these are all backward areas. Of course, we have done a lot. But I got a booklet printed. I think that you can give to them also. Whoever says that we are not done, they can question. And openly, if they want it, I can have face-to-face discussion with them about the fact that if they give some more suggestion, I welcome. Because I always respect my opponents.
Sir, in these elections, what kind of message you would like to give to the voters of your constituency and the entire state, as the situation demands that there is a need to defeat the communal forces in the state, and Congress has taken it as a challenge. What message would you like to give to your constituents?
See, my consensus is people, irrespective of religion, they're all peace loving. We are a secular constituency. We may be belongs to different caste or creed, but everybody wants the peace and everybody wants development and everybody wants the future should be the thing safe. That's what the people. And I'm always grateful for our voters. It's a different type of voters I see. They are not for money or the thing. They are only for the development. The representative has to do work. That's what they expect. If somebody else can do better work or they can confident, they will elect them. That's not a